Hey guys, Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. Hey, today I'm going to, for the first time, I've had this thing for like 6 months, but I'm going to finally open the KOBALT 24V max battery powered grease gun. It says 10,000 PSI on digital meter. I've had it here in the garage for, man, 6 or 8 months, and I have never used it. I've been doing a lot of hay, and I really need a good grease gun. So I'll try to take a picture of that later so you can see it. But let's open her up and see what's in here. It comes in a good case. Y'all can see that. I haven't opened it yet. Let's check her out. All right. Strap. We'll use that. Looks like the main part of the grease gun. Heavier than I kind of suspected, maybe. All right, there's the tube like a grease gun. We'll get into all that in a second. And the book. I think that's it. I kind of like the case. We'll see what that has to offer. I'm not exactly sure what those are. They'll probably become apparent when I read here. The book's got a lot of good information in it. I've skipped to number 10, load grease cartridge, which seems pretty straightforward. Set the lock switch. There's a switch right here, right for the trigger. That's unlocked, that's locked. I suppose if you had the battery in. Turn the barrel counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. Counterclockwise. Okay, now it looks like a regular old grease gun. Pull the rod completely out so the groove can be seen, which I can, and lock it back. All right, we got the green grease from Lucas. We'll put that in. Just like a regular old grease gun. Okay, remove the top. And put the barrel back in and rotate clockwise. Don't cross the red, it says. Y'all see that? Okay. And I bet we're going to put the rod forward, grab the rod handle and move the groove all the way forward to the narrow slot. Slowly allow the rod to move forward. Just like an old grease gun. I hear some air coming out, good. After the cartridge is loaded, use the air bleeder valve H, which is up here. It's got some bleeder valve to purge any trapped air. And we'll see what we need to do. All right, looks like I'm gonna put a battery in and try it. I got a little 2-amp battery here. Did not come with it, you know. All right, can I put some grease on that maybe? See if we can prime it. I'll unlock it. Y'all see that coming up? Grease coming out. Not sure if y'all saw that. It's primed. And there's my grease. So it has a little bit of grease in it, and then my green grease is following it. All right. Let's put the strap on it and go outside and try it. I got a tractor I need to grease. All right, the old Ford 600's needs some grease. Let's see what she's got. I'll start up here. It's rainy today, sorry, but we can test this sucker out. That goes on there good. Whoa, nice. I love it. Come off there. Needs grease. Popped out. Nice. I like this long hose here. See it coming out there. Nice. And that is a new one. I like it. Coming out. All right. Hey guys, I appreciate you saw a quick use there. I put a 2-amp battery here. It's got a screen here and 3 speeds, a light. I could have changed speeds with this button and turned the light on with that one if it's getting dark, or if it's early in the morning when I'm trying to do it, or up under somewhere. It was pretty heavy, but the strap went on real nice. And then that was almost real time. What y'all saw was a couple of minutes in there to figure out how to put the grease in. That looks easy. And then a couple of grease points here. You saw me do a demonstration. There's a couple under here I'll crawl up under after I get done with you guys. But I just wanted to show you, if you were thinking about this KOBALT 24V XTR power grease gun, battery grease gun. I like it so far. So thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. I got quite a bit of KOBALT stuff because I've had these 24V batteries. So there's some more KOBALT stuff on there. And I've just stuck with the 24V stuff since I have all the batteries. So appreciate you watching. I guess I'll leave the battery off. See if it goes. How do I do this? I should have watched it come out better. There we go. And it looks like it's got a place for the grease line to curl up right there. Very nice. And I can probably curl that strap right up with it. I'm not sure what those are yet, so I'll keep those, and I'll put the book in here too. Okay, so we're about that. Let's check it out. Nice job.